Hello everyone, this is Bharti Arora, PTA and parent of a 10th grader, Arush Arora, studying in BHIS CBSE. The last few weeks have been extremely challenging for all of us given the uncertainty it's brought along. They say everything that is positive is contagious, and so is love, respect, kindness, positivity, and happiness. Lockdown does not mean lockdown to learning, and it is in times like these we need to see things with a different perspective. Where there is a will, there is a way. And because of this belief, the entire concept of e-learning was formulated and implemented for the current academic year under the able leadership of Dr. Madhu Singh. Training teachers, parents and children is no less feat. This was accomplished within a fortnight under the guidance of Ms. Sachi Sharma. Arush in particular has been thoroughly enjoying these interactive e-sessions. The concepts are clear, the queries and the doubts are well taken care of. There is no travel time involved, so I guess the kids are relatively fresh. There are enough breaks which is given in between the session. He does tend to miss his school friends though. We also used to have these assembly sessions every Thursday. So if we could have a session like this possibly once a week for 5 to 10 minutes, which could be addressed by Dr. Madhu, a sense of security and oneness would come in. Parents this time won't come again where you have your kids at home. So all learning does not happen only in the classrooms. Please make the most of your kids being at home. Get into a hobby together, plant a herb, make them help you for the household chores, and ensure you spend some good quality family time. So stay safe, enjoy your e-time, enjoy your family time. Thank you.